Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing exercise 9.1 of some applications of trigonometry chapter of class 10. Okay, so now we are doing question number 3. Okay, so what is the question? There is no figure for this question. We have to draw the figure also. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Okay. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. Okay, and incline at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? That is a question. Okay, so first we can draw the figure. Okay, so first is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Okay, that part is clear. Okay, for the children below the age of 5 years, okay, so for the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So, for example, this is the slide for the children below the age of 5. Okay, so let this be the what? Have a slide whose top is at a height. Okay, so let this be the height. So that is 1.5 meter. Okay, next is and incline at an angle of 30 degrees. So this particular slide is inclined. The slide is inclined means it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. It's given in the question that it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. To the ground, this slide is inclined. Okay, first what is given? First is a height is given. So, this is a height and this is our slide. So, which is our slide? This is our slide. Why we drew this? Because it's given that the height is 1.5 meter. So, we drew the height, then we drew the slide and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Okay, students. So, next is whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. So, for elder students, for elder children, what is the height of the slide? It is 1.5 plus 1.5 because it is 3. That is 1.5 plus 1.5. So, let this be the height of the slide for elder children. She wants to have a slide at a height of 3 meters. So, let this be 3 meter. Inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Okay. So, this is our ground. Let this be our slide. Okay. So, it is inclined at an angle of what? It is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Okay. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So, here, which one is the slide? This is our slide. Okay. So, this is full is 3. This full is 3. Okay, so that is 3 meter from the ground. Okay, so this is the height of the big slide, bigger one. This is the height of the smaller slide. Okay, so the bigger one is inclined at 60 degree and the smaller one is inclined at 30 degree. So we have to find this and this. Okay, let us name this one. So I am naming this as A. Let this be B, let this be C, okay, and let this be D and let this be E. Okay, so next we can take triangle. So first I am taking the triangle BDE. I am taking this small triangle first. Okay, so let me take the triangle. In triangle in triangle BDE. BDE. Okay. So what is given? BD is given. We have to find ED. Okay. So I am taking BD by, this is BD, so we have to find ED. So ED is equal to, or else you can take ED by BD, both are correct. Okay, so BD by ED is equal to, what is BD? BD is P, and what is ED? It is H. Okay, so we know what P by H B. Okay, students, so it is P by H. P by H is sine theta. So that is equal to sine theta. So what is BD? BD is 1.5 divided by ED. Okay, so 1.5 divided by ED is equal to sine 30 degree. Okay, so 1.5 divided by ED is equal to sine 30, that is 1 by 2. So ED is equal to, cross multiply. So 15 into 2 is 30, so 1.5 into 2 is 3. Okay, so 3 meter is our answer. So we got the value of ED. That is the smaller, for the slide, for the height of the slide, for the length of the slide for the smaller children. That is for children below the age of 5 years. Okay, so next we have to find what? We have to find AC. Okay, so for that we can take this big triangle. Okay, in triangle, I am writing here. Okay, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Okay, so what is given? AB is given. AB is 3. So AB by, okay, and we have to find AC. So I am writing AC. That is equal to, what is AB? AB is P. P by, what is AC? AC is H. So that is P by H. Okay. So which is equal to P by H, again sine theta. So that is equal to sine theta. What is AB? It is 3 by AC. Okay. So what is the value of theta? 3 by AC is equal to, it is in this triangle, so value of theta is 60 degree. So that is sine 60 degree. So 3 by AC is equal to sine 60 is root 3 by 2. I am going to cross multiply. AC root 3 is equal to 6. So AC is equal to 6 by root 3. So at the denominator it is an irrational number, so we are changing it. So I am multiplying this with root 3, numerator and denominator. So my answer is 6 root 3 by 3. So I can cut this 3 and 6. So my answer is 2 root 3 meter. Okay, students. So we got the value of AC and ED. Okay. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So what is given in the question? We have a tower. Okay. So let this be our tower. Okay. I am taking A and B. Okay. So the angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point on the ground. So angle of elevation means from the point, this is our line of sight, and the angle which makes with the horizontal line. Okay, this is our line of sight. The angle between this line of sight and the horizontal line is angle of elevation. We have already discussed it in introduction section. Okay, students. So from here, the angle of elevation from the top of a tower. This is the top of the tower. So this is a line of sight. So this is a horizontal line. So this angle is 30 degree. Okay, and which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so foot of the tower is this much. This is a foot of the tower. So it is 30 meter away. So this is 30 meter, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the tower. That is, we have to find AB. Okay, so you can take the triangle. Let this be ABC. Okay, let this be C. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, so I am taking what we have to find. We have to find AB. So I am taking AB. AB divided by AC is equal to what? What is AB? AB is P, and what is AC? AC is base. Okay, so P B P divided by H B. So what is P by B? P by B is here. It's tan. Okay, so it is tan. So I am writing here tan theta. So what is AB? We don't know. Divided by AC is 30. Okay, so I am writing AB by 30 is equal to theta is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree. Okay, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB by 30. I am cross multiplying. Root 3 AB is equal to 30. So AB is equal to 30 by root 3. So here it is an irrational number. So I am multiplying it with root 3, numerator and denominator, root 3 into root 3. So my answer is 30 root 3 by 3. So I can cut this 3 and 30. So my answer is 10 root 3 meter. Therefore, find the height of the tower is a question. So therefore, height of tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Okay, students. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.